Designing the UI is one thing and showing it off professionally is another thing, and this is where the mockup plugin comes in. Whether you are presenting to a client or you're showcasing your UI portfolio, mockup give your design the real feel that they deserve. And here's how I do it. All you have to do is just go to your tools, search for the plugin name. The plugin name is actually mockup plugin. So then it loads. So there are so many free mockups that you can use. There are also premium mockups that you can also use, and they're really nice. So you can make use of the free mockup. So I'm just going to make use of the free mockup for this instance and search for the one I like. So as soon as you get the one you like, click on it, open it, then you see that plus icon. All you have to do is click on that plus icon and also go to your frame, your design frame. Click on that your design frame, then automatically it exports inside the mockup. That's the preferred mockup, and there you have it. You crop it, then you paste it on your Figma canvas, and that is all. So you can design anyhow you want it, make it a plain background, put it in an artistic background, any one of your choice. Whether you are designing an app, a landing page, a website, or anything design, you can use this mockup. And mockup is used in a subtle way to show quality, to show clarity, to tell a visual story as for us designers, and also for presentation. So this mockup is a really good idea for you, and it should be your go-to as a UI UX designer. Bye. I'll see you guys in my next video.